Most salespeople, they're big phonies. If you don't believe in what you're doing, if you don't believe the things that you're saying, how can you expect other people to believe you? They're going to feel that you're a phony. Now, here's the key. The antidote for phoniness is self-belief, is self-confidence. And I'm going to give you 2 questions that I want you to be able to answer. I want you to work on being able to answer these 2 questions. Once you can do this, nobody's ever going to think you're a phony ever again. First question, do I know what is most important to every customer in my pipeline? Do I know what is most important to every customer in my pipeline? Question number 2, am I actively doing my best to find a solution that drives what is most important to that person? Notice both of those questions have nothing to do with, are we the lowest price? Do I have the best? Am I the newest product? Right? If you understand what's most important to somebody and you're doing everything in your power to give them what's most important to them, you're going to be confident, you're going to be professional, you're not going to be a phony, they're going to believe in you and they're going to want to do business with you. Follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.